guys, it's me, Trace from Refurbished in the Middle. I had to get on here and do this little video. I finally got to finish this. I had to do some running around this morning, so I finally got out here to the studio and I've been working on this, and I am telling you what, I'm head over heels in love. This is what I was talking about, and I am manipulating a little bit of this with sanding, and I'm sort of over sanding, but down here, which I'm gonna I'll pull the camera up so you guys can see real good what I'm talking about. This stuff is great. I'm telling you guys, this stuff is so great. Look at this. This is, when I say chippy goodness, this is what I'm talking about. And look at that nice dark wood showing under there. When I go and put some wax on this, this is gonna be killer. I'm still doing some sanding. I'm going back, I'm doing more sanding than you would have to. I just know how I like my furniture to be. And I like my furniture to be like you just drug it out. It was in someone's farmhouse, like you brought it out, your grandmother had it, her mother had it, and on and on and on. And I like to take it down, and that's why in the beginning I kept majority of the dark, and then I highlighted a little bit up here, because see how the light, let me push this up, it's you can see some of the wood through there, and I'm gonna sand some of that even further. I'm gonna keep working on all these, and then I'm also gonna go through with some dark wax, and I might even use some hemp oil. I love hemp oil. I'm telling you, I just love hemp oil. But that's what I'm talking about. This is exactly what milk paint is supposed to look like. Let me pull back a little so you can see. I haven't gotten to the bottom yet. But you can see, there you go. That's what milk paint should look like. And we still are gonna put the finish on it, which I'm almost positive I'm gonna use a hemp oil. Because I really like hemp oil. I love milk paint and I like it. So it's still gonna go through one more little stage. And I am just using my coarse sanding block, and because I really want to get in there, and it looks like it has been in someone's kitchen and someone's used it and taken stuff off there and everything, and that's what I want it to look like. And I can't wait to take the mirror off, but I just wanted to get on here and show you that when I'm always saying chippy goodness, that's what I mean, is what this top is. And that's what milk paint does. It is different, because this does it on its own. You don't have to do anything. It just does it on its own. But that's all that's gonna come off. If you didn't want this much on here, by all means, you could mix up a little more paint, add a little bonding agent, and hit over these, but not me. This is my style right here. I like this, and when it's waxed or oiled, it'll be creamy, dreamy, and the wood will be gleaming. It'll look nice. So I just wanted to get this little bit on here, and when I'm done, I'll have the big reveal. I might even try to stage it like a coffee bar. We'll see. It's hard for me, and let me just put this out there. It's hard for me staging, because when I'm in Marion, I am in my studio. The only retail I have here is my Dixie Belle paint, and I have IODs, and I have Prima, Redesign, and I have Chalk Pro, and I have some other products. So that's what I am here, as a studio. Now, if you need retail, the other place, I really don't have anything there either, other than my furniture and all the paint. So I don't have stuff I can pick and choose and rip off my shelves, and I'm not home, so I can't just take all the stuff from around my house. So that's why when I say I don't like staging, that's all it is. It's just because I have to really think and scrounge something up around here to stage with. But I'll try. Maybe I can get it ready like how I'm going to use it. So, all right, until the next time, bye.